That's crazy. Somehow I managed to ride on that for a little bit. So that's basically what that. Oh, there, yeah, look, it's still blue. Well, that's the old shit.
You don't have any brake clean, do you?
I might.
If you've got brake clean and like a toothbrush, or not a toothbrush, but like a wire brush.
All right, let me see what I got. Yeah. Cool.
I like the sound of it.
It's got a little rumble to it.
Yeah. Like it's got a glass pack.